Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is on Ethereum Classic, ticker symbol ETC. I made a previous video on ETC and this is my second video on ETC, and I have been also making some cryptocurrency related videos. So this is a follow-up video because we talked about these and in this video I will talk why ETC is coming down and why it is a good time to get in. At the same time, I will show you the chart pattern, the support and resistance, and also end of the video what is the long-term price target for ETC. So first of all, it's not a good day. ETC is down by 18%. That's a lot and it should be hurting you, but you know, like this is cryptocurrency, it can move a lot within the same day. It can even move 50% up or 50% down, so do not worry, it will come back. And when I'm looking at some other cryptocurrencies, they are all coming back. Like if I look at the candles, they came way down, but now they are recovering and they are coming back. So what happened today? The big news is Tesla stock and Bitcoin drop after Elon Musk says cars with crypto will be halted due to energy usage of mining. So this is one thing I was planning to make another video, because Bitcoin, any kind of mining requires a lot of energy, and whenever it involves a lot of energy, then definitely there is not a good impact on environment. So if you are an environment lover, then definitely Bitcoin, you know, like it consumes a lot of energy. So after the news, all the Bitcoin came down. But again, keep that in mind. Ethereum 2, what is called eth.x, I'm making another video, it will come soon. Why Ethereum has a higher price target and why I'm so bullish on Ethereum, because one of their vision is more sustainable, and I will cover more in my next video. So please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So the good thing is, in the next project when Ethereum 2.0 will come, it will be more sustainable because it will require less computing power and energy. So if we all know that in future we are all more environmental we love like in future, like we love to have like less emission, less energy consumption, then definitely Ethereum has the way to go. So definitely Ethereum has more, and ETC, Ethereum Classic, is based on Ethereum. So if I look at a chart on Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, you can see that both of the lines here, let me pull this up. Let me pull this up here. So this one, the red one, is Ethereum Classic and the black one is regular Ethereum, and we know Ethereum has making all-time high each and every time. So the black line, you can see consistent growth is happening. But what's happening with the ETC, like it has an insane run up, and currently it is above the Ethereum run up, and it is running a lot. So what that suggests, so if Ethereum runs, Ethereum Classic might run, but again they are not same to same. But again, it is having a massive run. If you look at a daily chart, it is having a massive run and now it is coming down. So do not get disappointed, because when there is a racing car, it can run a lot, but it needs to stop and it needs to take some fuel. Otherwise it will go and it can stop somewhere. There is no fuel, right? So you can go to your destination. So you can see that the volume coming, then some kind of consolidations moving sideways, then again more volume here, it went up, coming down. So again consolidation, or is just a natural way, right? It comes down, and when you will see more volume comes down, more volume comes down, and when there will be more volume again, you will see it will again push up higher. So it's not bad when you have an insane run up. Definitely the price needs to come down for it to consolidate, and this is healthy because you are fueling your car, you are having more buyers, and then it will go even higher. So this is not bad. So definitely if you are holding, you should not be disappointed. It feels bad, I know, but you shouldn't be disappointed. So let's move to a 15-minute chart now, because what I'm seeing here, that the blue line here, you can see we are going down and down and we are making lower highs, and the red line was the support around $90 was the support, and today we broke through that $90. We broke through that $90, but the good thing is this is a 15-minute candle. You can see that we came down, but some volume came. There are some deep buyers. You see the long wick, these people are now buying Ethereum, and currently we are around that $90 mark. The important thing is, can we break that $90 mark? Can we go up again, or we will come down? So if you're holding Ethereum and if your average is way high, you can establish some position at this point, but do not invest all of your money, and see if we can maintain or you can go up. Or if you're planning to buy some Ethereum Classic, then maybe you wait and you see once we confirm that $90 is our support, we go up and we retest the support, then we go up, then you will have the confirmation. Also keep that in line, the blue ones, that once we go above around 100 or 105, I will say maybe around 110, maybe this is the confirmation that it wants to go higher. But before that, if you are new and you have no position, just wait, chill and watch how it's doing. Important thing is to go above $105, $110 range, right? And why I'm saying this video, you can see the line here. If I draw here, that was the support previously, then when it come down, that support became the resistance around $104 mark. So then we came even more, and now $90 is the resistance. So important thing is to break that $90 resistance, then to break that 104 resistance, and then we will go higher. Otherwise, just stay back and watch the price action. But what if it even comes down even more? So I'm just thinking around this area, 70 to 75, around this area, because you can see it was a previous support here. So maybe if another drastic drop, then maybe it can come all the way to 72, 75 area, or if we are lucky, then maybe around $81. And today we came around 81 and we bounced back. Why it is 81 important? You see the area here, so many candles bouncing from this area. So what's the plan? So what's the price action? If it comes below, then maybe around 80 would be some support. If 80 is broken, then around 72, 73. So just buy more if you have money, and you can always average down. Or if you are new here, then wait for the confirmation, so you know it will go up again. And once we go around 100 or even more, then you know this thing is going higher. You can see the RSI came all the way on a 15-minute candle. Okay, so if you do not have any account and you want to have some investment with cryptocurrency, you need to have an account, right? So I'm just showing you two things. One is BlockFi, and I have the referral code in the bottom. What's the advantage of referral code? So basically, when you use my code, you can get $10 in Bitcoin. At the same time, when you deposit your money, you get some interest. And also when whatever cryptocurrency you're having, once it goes up, you will also get some profit because of the run up. So BlockFi is one, I have an account. The other one I have, this is crypto.com, and again, if you use the referral code, which is in the description below the video, use the link and use my referral code, so both you and I will get $25 USD. So it's a free money, we get the free money, and again, once we deposit the money, we also get some interest on our deposit, and also the price goes up, then you get profit. So there is nothing to lose, it's a win-win thing. So I would encourage you to use the referral code I have for BlockFi or crypto, whatever you want, you can choose. And finally, what is the price prediction? So I'm just looking at an article on coin price forecast. So it has 2021 year-end forecast of 650 with a mid-year of 343. And if I'm long term by 2025, this is 2000. And if I look around 2030, this is 4000 USD. That's a lot. So by 2021 media, it is saying 343, and the price is again below 100. So you see, we have a 3 times potential. Definitely, it's a lot of profit. So anyway, my friends, just wanted to show you the chart and wanted to show you the support resistance, so you can make a decision. And watch for the volume. Whenever the volume comes, you see the big volume, it goes up, the big volume, it goes up. So watch for the volume, watch for the price action, know your support, know your resistance, and let's make some money. Anyway, my friends, thank you very much for watching this particular video. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and have a great day. Take care. Peace.